so you probably can't hear me. What I'm doing is, when I was under the car the other day doing the starter motor, I noticed there's a bit of a leak from the sort of drive shaft gearbox oil, so I'm just quickly going to change the gearbox oil and add some stock leak to it, just to see if it makes any difference. Don't really want to have gearbox problems, so let's give that a go. I've got the under tray off, that's the drain hole. Just looking for the fill plug now, I think it's up there. Up there somewhere next to the drive shaft. I'm trying to do it all from underneath to make it easier, but I don't know if I can see it. Oh yeah, I can see it. Right. It's just up there next to the drive shaft, that bolt. Just cracking off the drain bolt now, getting that little git out. I've got that one out. Get it. So just see anything here. There you go, got the tube going into the fill hole now, ready to pump some new fluid. Slowing the vehicle down a bit just to make sure we get it all out, because if it's an angle it won't all come out. So it's coming towards the end now. Okay, we've got the drain bolt back in now, all drained. Right, let's get some of this stock leaking fluid back in. Pour some of this in there. It's power steering stock leak, but it also does manual gearboxes as well, so I'm going to put some of that in there. Apparently it takes about 2 litres, so the car does, so this is enough to treat 2 litres, so I'm going to put it in right now. So this is how I'm squeezing it in. The bottle, got a little hand pump, you can just about see the hose going in there. You squeeze it, that's how it's going in. As you can see, I've lowered the car down a bit. I'm trying to keep it, trying to make it sort of level so we get the right level in there, because when you've got enough oil it will drip out the fill hole and then you know you've got enough. So I'm just trying to get it, I know we're on a slope here, but I think that's quite good. So I'm going to start putting the second bottle in. It is, you can just see now, if I go like that, if I just go, you just see it starting to, well it was, there you go, it's starting to drip out a bit now. That's how you know you're full, but the other way you know is you've got 2 litres in. That's it. Right, let's get this capped off, it's all buttoned up. If you look at that old oil, wow, that looks nasty, doesn't it? It's really nasty if you go to the sun. See any flecks of metal or anything in it, which is a really good sign. It means the gearbox is in good condition, but wow, look at that. There's some dirty oil, so definitely so it's good that we've done that anyway. Excellent. I always pour the old oil back in the containers afterwards to store it before I can take it down to the recycling centre. But yeah, 2 litres went in, 2 litres come out by the look of it as well, so we obviously weren't losing much, but I think we just caught that just in time, that leak. So yeah, that's good. There you go guys, all done. Just a quick little video just to show you don't have to take it to a garage to get stuff like that done. It's really easy. Just need a little hand pump, undo two bolts, or two, you know, one bolt, and one was like a had a square head sort of drive on it. I don't know what size it was actually. It wasn't very big. It might be like sort of 3/8 size. Yeah, undo that and just drain it out one end, pump it in the other, you know, really easy. I'm going to take it for a run in a minute. I've put that stop leak in it, so, you know, hopefully that will stop. It's probably just like a sort of seal, it's like shrunk a bit or something like that. So yeah, the old oil that I took out was minging, so obviously hasn't been done in a very long time. So yeah, it's well worth doing anyway. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Really appreciate it. See you next time.